everything that I need when I leave the house is right here, including my wallet. This is Ekster's new Cardholder Pro for MagSafe. Take it off, click a button, and all your cards are right there. And it's actually on sale for 45% off during their Mother's Day sale. So let's see if it's worth the buy. And we'll get some profile shots here. If you never heard of Ekster wallets, they're known for these sleek wallets, minimalist style. They can store up to 6 cards with a push of the button. This is now a step up from their other wallets because it is MagSafe compatible. You can attach that directly to your phone. Using it is simple. All you need is either a MagSafe case or a MagSafe iPhone or another version of the phone that's compatible, and you pretty much join the two and it attaches with a magnet. Obviously make it a little straighter, but like I mentioned, everything that you need is right here. Again, this is a solid case. Like, it's going to stay on there. Again, all your information is stored within this wallet, both physically and more so securely, because all of Ekster's wallets come with RFID protection. Just eliminates that potential security threat. Obviously, I wanted to go over some of the specifics here, more usability. Obviously, on your phone, Ekster is known for having this side button right here. Depending on where your camera is and like the model of your phone, this could have small, very small delay in accessing your cards. Again, it's not major, but if I was to press the button, we only have 1 to 2 cards come off. So when you go to purchase something, you obviously have to take the wallet off. Most of the time, you like to fan out the cards anyways, and it's easier to do that in your hand. And again, it's a visual piece. You have this, you fan it out in line or at a restaurant or something, putting it back, that's going to turn some heads. Now you're probably thinking, well, Logan, this only holds about 5 to 6 cards. Yes, but with it having a MagSafe option on the back side, this wallet is now customizable. In the packaging, which I love, it was a great open, came with this little pamphlet that has some customizable options. So we can get an expansion pack almost, holds up to 15 additional cards that you can just attach right to the back of the MagSafe wallet. We have a coin tray as well if you do happen to carry around some coins, along with a cash clip and a Finder Card Pro. I do like that customization because, yes, we are very limited right here. I have an Ekster wallet myself, and I carry a lot of cards in there. I have a folding one. So having the option to add on like a booster pack almost, to add another 15 cards on there, that's big. And if people haven't watched a video where I showcase a Finder card, I would recommend checking that out. It's compatible with this wallet, of course, but also with the Find My app with the iPhone brand. Obviously, if you have this on the back of your phone and this goes missing, you're missing 2 pieces of, items, personal items. So if you attach that Finder card to the back, and again, this happens to go missing, obviously people might split. That might happen, but then you can track this. You can also track this. So overall, the MagSafe wallet by Ekster just simplifies everything. Again, I only have to look and carry 1 item here. Again, there's less bulk. I'm not carrying my phone and my wallet in separate pockets. It's all in one. It can go in one pocket. Again, everything in one place, which is always a benefit for those people running out of the house in the morning. You don't want to forget your wallet. You don't want to forget your phone. Let's just combine the two, and then there you go. So if you are interested in the new MagSafe wallet by Ekster, the Cardholder Pro, I'm going to put a link below to their website. Again, this is a good upcoming sale, 45% off during their Mother's Day sale, which ends May 18th. So either go snag one for your mom, because this is a great gift for her, and or yourself. Go check out Ekster below.